These are the elevators at a parking garage at AdventHealth Orlando, Florida. We've got some Kones. Let's go up to 11. 11, 10, and 1 are missing their brails. Here we are at 11. So 11 stories for a parking garage. That door's locked, but this one isn't. So pretty tall garage, and out in that direction you can see downtown Orlando. So all the floors are color coded. 11 happens to be gray. We're not going to stop at all the floors to see what the colors are, because you can see them from inside the elevator. So let's go down to 1. So here's your cab view. 11 was a little off center on the indicator. So was 10, but not quite as bad. Let's send this one up, and we're gonna get the other elevator. There's a sky bridge to the medical office building on level 3 of this garage. Let's go up to 11. This one does have labels, but the brails, they've taped over the brails. I think that defeats the purpose. Here we are at 11. So let's end it down at 1. The certificate does list this as the Dade Avenue parking garage right here. But anyway, there it goes. And doors are a little slow. That'll be it.